Welcome to Raj TV and Marathon 10,000 kilometer One India run. So far we have covered 30 kilometers and here we are remembering our Delhi Bombay run. Over to Milind.
Hey Raj TV.
Woo!
So this is the first day of the 10,000 kilometer marathon. 9,970 kilometers to go.
Woo! Yesterday we stayed at Atul Industries and Mr. Captain Hatsilkar is accompanying me. He also did almost 40 kilometers with me. Mr. Anshidhar, over to you. Tell me about your experience.
Thank you, sir. It is an inspiration for all of us. It's an unbelievable feat that you have taken, and I wish and I pray and I ask everybody en route, please extend all the help possible. Although he doesn't need, but the inspiration that for that which he has taken a task to take on the youngsters to continue running like this and bring some peace across India. Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. We'll catch you in Surat.
आज बॉम्बे से यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं सब लोग एक साथ इस कॉज के लिए इकट्ठा है। हम चाहते हैं इनका जो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है 10,000 किलोमीटर का वो जरूर पूरा हो। हम लोग सब पिंक सिटी के बाशिंदे हैं। हम चाहते हैं इनको इस कॉज में सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। आपको इस कॉज को बिकॉज आप हर तरह से हमको फायदा दे रहे हैं। आप हमको दौड़ने की प्रेरणा दे रहे हैं। हमारी बॉडी ठीक हो जाएगी। आप हमारे सारे साथियों को सुबह सुबह जल्दी मिलने का मौका दे रहे हैं। इससे अच्छी कोई बात नहीं हो सकती। हम सबके लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि जयपुर को टच करते हुए आप निकल रहे हैं और जयपुर पिंक सिटी है, आपने देखा, और आप इतने बड़े कॉज के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। हम सबकी तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
स्टार्ट है सब वार्म अप और कुछ आपसे टिप्स ली जाए। आपका
टिप दी जाए ना,
आप पूछिए मुझे तो मैं बताता हूँ।
मैं जयपुर रनर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा वो आगे आए एक बार प्लीज।
जयपुर रनर्स कम ऑन, कम अप।
अमित, तो जयपुर रनर्स जो है रेगुलर एक रनिंग प्रैक्टिस जो शुरू हुई है जयपुर के अंदर उसको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है।
Group of runners. Deepak,
We are about to reach Amar Jyoti Jawan, from where we will start our run, our journey toward Delhi. And we are fortunate to today morning's runners, Mr. John.
Yes,
Mr. John is from
Belgium.
Belgium.
And Mr.
So-
Ravi.
Mr. Ravi.
Hi,
Yeah.
it's good fun.
So any message you wanted to give society or running community, because I am passing through many cities and villages.
Keep running and keep supporting Raj. That's a wonderful project.
Yeah.
Be fit.
Yes.
We have crossed Byawar. We are going towards Ajmer, and it's a nice weather today. Quite breezy. It's the humidity is also there, but we are feeling fresh now. And today we have a Vibor, my physio from Fortis Hospital.
Very fit freak. Heads off. Heads off.
So will you be start?
मैंने भी अब डिसाइड किया है आई विल रन एवरी डे एटलीस्ट 10 किलोमीटर.
सुपर. एंड लाइक जैसे आप मोटिवेट हुए हो, आई विश कि आप और भी कई 10 लोगों को मोटिवेट करो.
डेफिनेटली.
So maybe
लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल. इवन मैं जहाँ रहता हूँ महादेव नगर सोसाइटी, और सबको मैं बोलूँगा कि सुबह आओ रन करो. एटलीस्ट कुछ तो दौड़ो.
दैट इज व्हाट भारतवन का मिशन है. तो एनीथिंग समथिंग भारतवन के लिए आप बोलना चाहोगे?
भारतवन, गुड लक, बेस्ट विशेस टू भारत को, पूरे देश को. आप नाज है एंड वी विल बी प्राउड ऑन यू.
Thank you. Today we have reached one of the most sacred place on earth, Golden Temple. Have a look and enjoy the beauty. It's so serene, so beautiful place, so calm. 42 kilometers ahead of Chandigarh, and we are just filling and entering into the Punjab. You can see how beautiful Punjab is. Everywhere green, and where the God is must be supporting us too. Now Dr. Amit, Dr. Manoj, and you, Arvind, they said they wanted to enjoy.
Sir, how you feeling?
Hey Arslan,
Hi.
feeling fresh?
Yeah.
From Ludhiana, we are very fortunate to a running colleague with me. Basically, he's from US, and half the time he is traveling from US to India, Ludhiana. Meet Mr. Ajay Shukla. Sir, how
Hi
are you?
friends, how are you? Nice to meet you guys, man. It's a fun to travel with him. It's really a fun, enjoying it.
Sir, tell me something about running differences or culture in US and India.
There is the only difference and difference, nothing else.
Okay, a pennant. So this is a regimental flag. So this is the regimental crest. The motto of the regiment is Shatrunaash Shatrunaash. And there are three colors: purple, red, and gold. Okay. So purple is courage or valor. Okay. Red is sacrifice, blood, and gold is glory. Okay. So these are depicted. These are all the accoutrements are worn throughout service. So this is from my school, the Lawrence School, Sonat in Shimla. This is when I was in the National Defence Academy, Echo Squadron, Indian Military Academy. I was in the Shara Company, and management and army aviation. My various badges of rank and all. And this is a photograph, one of my last ones before I left the army in 2008. I was commissioned in 71 Armored Regiment with the T-55 tank. It's one of the most successful tanks in the world. It's seen service in 33 countries. Okay.
Marathon. So after walking and running, how many kilometers?
15.625.
15.625. We ultimately reached Sisu village. SISSU, not Susu.
Otherwise, we do what I did in the last 3 days. So, yes, excited, happy, and of course proud of Raj, and of course proud of myself for
Yeah.
being with Raj, taking time out from work, coming here, joining him, having wonderful time. Good day, have a good day, guys.
Enjoy the village.
Enjoy the village.
Today I have reached Ladakh, and tomorrow there is a Ladakh marathon. The organizer is Rimo Motu. You can see everywhere there's a banner of the Ladakh marathon. Here is Mr. Motu. So please tell me Ladakh marathon.
Well, Ladakh Marathon has come up in a big way. We never expected that it will grow in so fast, and it become pretty big for the region. We're getting runners from all across the world. almost from every part of our country.
And our car, say hi. Khardungla, no, K-Top is 15. Yeah, Khardungla top is 15, South Pulu is 29. Congratulations and heartily congratulations. You made my day, man. You made my day. Thank you. Only because of you, sir. No, it's your mind. It's your mind. Congratulations to you also. Thank you, sir. 21 kilometer. Thank you. This is Raj TV here. We are 7 kilometers away from Khardungla Pass, and weather changes suddenly, and you can see a snowfall, and the temperature is Indian Army! Indian Army! Indian Army! Indian Army! Thank you, sir. Welcome. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
अभी निकलो जरा वीडियो में, चलो ज्योति रनिंग ऑन बर्थडे। पर्सनल नहीं डालती हूँ, अभी जाने वाली थी वो भी।
The Nahan village, forest area surrounded with lots of tree and fog. Dr. Neeraj, tell me something about you. Tell me, how is the feeling of journey as of now?
It's the first time we are roaming along with the Mr. Raj Pradgama, the Bharathan runner.
Now Bharat in Haridwar.
Marathon reaches to Haridwar.
Haridwar.
Yeah. And we have so far covered 2000 kilometers from 15th August to today is
21 September.
21st September. And how you feel after taking a bath in Ganga? Was it cold?
Really cold. लगता है सारे पाप धुल गए।
आप धुल गए
सारे पाप धो
तो
डाले हमने।
शायद सबसे ज्यादा पाप मैंने ही किए थे, इसलिए रोज टॉर्चर हो रहा।
अब दोबारा से स्टार्ट करेंगे।
अब दोबारा से स्टार्ट करेंगे। Anything about marathon?
Marathon is a good mission. People who didn't run also are motivated to run. It's a good thing for the health also. Running is good for the health.
Hi, this is Raj here, and it's my fortunate that you are from where?
TPS Coimbatore, Delhi Public School Coimbatore.